Well, hello. Welcome to the TV room. Um, yeah, I really have to finish getting stuff out of the car because, of course, what's in the car? Well, my diagnostic treasures. So at this moment, I cannot connect this 64 to the harnesses because they're in the car. So this has been going on and doing its thing here. This is the new tester. Desmond C64 Mac. Well, hang on. It's hard to read because it's doing things to the screen RAM. Come on back. RAM testing. Anyway, the magic of this is with a lot of testers, if you have a RAM problem, you get these screen flash things and you never really know what's going on. I mean, there's one red, and then you go and fix it, and then you get another and another, and word has it that this one will tell you all the bad RAM chips that are in a machine at one time. So you can fix it. And according to what I see here, I think this is all fine. This has now run through the test 256 times because I went downstairs and left this, and I thought, well, I should be able to do some more testing with the sound thing and test the SID chip, but I can't. So what I'm going to do now, because I can, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn it back on. And let it run again. Yes, sirree. That's what I'm going to do. Let it run again. Anyway, for people who fix 64s or who want to know what's wrong with their 64, this is a big deal. It is. Now, I've got to figure out if I have anything around, anything else that I could test the SID chip with this. And I suppose I have a cartridge or two around I could. I would like to get an idea if the SID chip is good, but I mean, really, the test or the sound test the in the retro rewind thing is really the best sound test with all the oh, what do they call it? Filters, the filter test and all that. Anyway, but maybe I will get a cartridge and see what I can see. Actually, I should, I suppose, check. Yeah, the volume was up. So let's go get a cartridge. Let's see what we hear. And what am I going to do? I'm going to stick in Frogger. All right. So out with this lovely little cartridge. Des Test Max. Why is that phone making all that noise at me? Is someone trying to call me? No. All right. Let's check out. Okay, now this is interesting. It's black and white. And the cartridge was black and white. It shouldn't be black and white. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Now this cable, it's black and white. This cable is weird. Maybe did I turn something up? Did I turn something down? Nope, that's not it. That's not it. What is this? What's the sound? I don't think I did. I thought this was coming through okay. Oh, dear, 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 dear. Well, this is a funny cable. It is. That has some things cut out of it. Just a moment. going to reach back here, find the switch, switch it over. Nope. It's still doing weird things here. So, the test is in color. All right, stand by 1 second. I'm going to the door, and I'm going to find another video cable. Hold that thought. Oh, and now it's doing weird things. Oh, that's annoying. Maybe I need to turn this down a bit. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Oh, going to the door, going to the door. Got to be another video cable here. I would like to think. But there may not be. What's this? No, that's not a video cable. Hello. Okay. I have another video cable here. Maybe that's why I didn't use that one. Maybe there was something about those cut-off pins that actually made a difference. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going around the back of the monitor. Excuse me. Oh. Pulling out the white, the yellow, and the red, and putting in the white, the red, and the yellow. And let's see. Oh, look at that. It's in color. Imagine. It's okay. Okay, so that cable is definitely not the bestest thing. Especially not the bestest thing to use when doing things. It is not. Okay. Now, let's get back to sound for a second. There we go. Oh, we have things in the way here. Okay, that's Frogger. Okay, so it does seem that the sound is turned on, or it was, but I'm not really hearing anything here. I heard something that sounded like sound for a moment. Ugh. But not for very much and not for very long. So let's just try this. It wouldn't be surprising if this is a dead SID chip. It would not. Let me put the microphone down for a second. I'm not strapped on here right now. Normally I am. I was doing a close-up of the screen where it doesn't matter if I'm wearing a hat or if I'm not. But I am trying not to have this in my hair. I will grab a hat. And then another hat falls. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, here we have Frogger. And Oh yeah. I hear the sound ever so gently in the background. Okay. Commodore 64 off. Sorry about the screen. I am looking. There we are. For a screwdriver. I have a screwdriver. I will pop this SID chip that I'm trying to test out. And I think it has failed. But we'll see. We will see. Ugh. And now, it's not that it's dark in here. It's just that it's not as bright as it would be if I wasn't shooting the screen. So I have to be extra careful about getting this chip back in. Extra careful. Okay, so SID chip back in. Different one. Let's turn this on. What's happening? Oh golly, don't tell me. Stop. What am I doing here? Oh yeah. It always helps. Always helps if you get the SID chip in the right way around. Check, that's what I would say. Check the witness mark. Oh man. Alright. We're in. Now. Why do we still have no sound? Oh, what's going on here? Alright. Alright, is there something wonky? I think this worked before, excuse me. Is there something wonky with the monitor switch? That could, because it sounds like we're getting it. Oh dear, 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 dear. Oh. Why? It's funny, sometimes the more you try and save time, the more you don't. Let's look under the 64. Oh man. I am confused. Very confused. Very confused. Alright. Sorry about the screen there. I'm going to move this 64 out of the way. I'm sliding over in search of another that has writing. Ah! What the hell was that? No writing. Oh, God. There are so many. There are so many. Sorry about that. Oh, what does this say? There's a note sticking out of the back of this. Dead. Screen flash. Well, that doesn't help me any. This is not going well. Not going well. Sorry, this is really not going well. What does this say? Oh, snow on screen. You know, there are some days you're just not meant to fix things. Or even attempt. This could be one of those days. All right, I'm digging. Oh dear. I'm digging deeper into the pile of 64s. Oh god, this one's covered in feathers. Drain circuit board. Tested okay. What is this? Zip. Paper shielding. 64 will Commodore Hotel cards. Drain circuit board. Added reset. VIC only socket. Tested okay. So why does it saying operation? Why? Oh god. Oh, this is pestering. Very pestering. What's this one say? Nothing. Ah. Okay. Oh, this one's like got no chips in it. This is no fun. What is going on here? No note. How can there be? Oh, there's a note in this one. Oh, sorry about this. 64. 5 round chips and sockets. What's your rewind test? Perfect. Shit, okay. Good test machine. Okay. Sorry for the delay there. I have here. Oh, I'm missing chips. You know what? Sorry. This is just not my day. We'll see you again. Bye for now.